Hello, my dear children. Today we will study the Valley of Flowers, Chapter 11, Class 4 EVS. In this lesson, we will learn about different flowers, what is a valley and what is a national park. We will also see the uses of flowers and we will know about the Madhumani painting. So let's get started. Children, Valley of Flowers is located in the state of Uttarakhand. The Valley of Flowers is a national park also. What is a national park, children? National park is a large area of land which is protected by government because of its natural beauty of plants and animals. So there are 105 national parks in India. In this picture, you can see the map of India and the circled place is the Valley of Flowers. So as I told you, in the hills of Uttaranchal, there is a place where there are flowers everywhere, and this place is called the Valley of Flowers. Now, what is a valley? Children, a valley is a land between hills or mountains. And the Valley of Flowers in Uttarakhand is located between the Himalayan mountains. In this picture, you can see different flowers like marigold, champa, jasmine, chrysanthemum, rose, hibiscus, tulsi. Children, one activity for you. Just see your surroundings or go to a park and find out the names of flowers. Now tell me, what are the uses of flowers? So, flowers are used in so many ways. Like, they are used for decoration. We can see rose, jasmine and marigold. They are used for decoration in temples, at home. Then the flowers are used for making perfumes. Rose and jasmine are used to make perfumes. Then flowers are also eaten as a food, like drumsticks and banana flower. They are eaten. Then flowers are used to make rangoli. We make rangolis on special festivals, and flowers are also used to make colors, different colors. They are used to make garlands. Flowers are used to make bouquet, and flowers are used as medicine. So we can see we can use flowers in so many ways, isn't it? Now, the design in this picture is called Madhubani. This is a very old form of folk art. And children, do you know why is it called Madhubani? See, there is a district in Bihar called Madhubani, and here during festivals and happy occasions, the walls of the houses and their courtyards are painted with such pictures, right? These paintings are made out of paste of powdered rice in which color has been mixed. The colors used in Madhubani paintings are very special too. To make them, indigo, turmeric, the colors from flowers and trees are used, and the paintings show human beings, animals, trees, flowers, birds, fish, and many other animals. As I just told you that the walls of the houses are painted with such pictures, and you can see in this picture there are different colors which are made from the flowers. You can see so many colors: yellow, red, lavender, then pink, then green. So these colors are made from the flowers. Earlier, we discussed the uses of flowers. Children, do you know that flowers can be eaten as well? Many flowers are cooked as vegetables. Let's see which flowers are used as vegetables. In this picture, you can see kachnar flower. In Uttar Pradesh, kachnar flower is eaten as a dish. In Maharashtra, people love to eat sesame flowers, and in Kerala, banana flowers are used to make dishes. These are two flowers like marigold and zinnia. The colors are made from these flowers, and these colors are used to dye the cloth also. Now children, as I told you that flowers are used to make perfumes also. So in Uttar Pradesh there is a place called Kannauj which is famous for Itr. Truckloads of flowers are brought from neighboring areas for this purpose. Itr, rose water, kevra water, they are prepared from flowers. And thousands of people in Kannauj, they are engaged in this work. You can see in this picture there is a map of Uttar Pradesh and there is a district called Kannauj. Let's see some more flowers, some common flowers around us: zinnia, cactus flowers, lily, marigold, hibiscus, shoe flower, periwinkle, vinca rosa, datura, night blooming cereus, night jasmine flower, magnolia, bottle brush, neelkamal. These are different flowers. You can explore more. Now children, who are flower sellers or florists? So the people who sell flowers are called flower sellers or florists. What are the flowers they are selling? As you can see in this picture, the florist is selling marigold, tulip and so many flowers. And where do they bring these flowers from? They bring these flowers from gardens. Flowers are brought from gardens. Why do people buy flowers? People buy flowers for various purposes like decoration, worship, and to give them to others. So now tell me the names of flowers that are used for decoration. For decoration we use rose, marigold. For cooking, pumpkin, banana flowers, sahjan, kachnar. Making medicines, tulsi, periwinkle. Making itr or scent, rose, jasmine. Making natural colors, hibiscus, marigold, zinnia. Now, these are the flowers which grows on trees like gulmohar and kadam tree, they are grown on trees. Can you tell me which flower can you recognize by the scent even if your eyes are closed? Yes, jasmine and rose are recognized by their smell even if our eyes are closed. Now, which flower blooms throughout the year and which in certain months? So, rose and hibiscus bloom throughout the year. We can find roses and hibiscus throughout the year, but flowers like Rajnigandha, they bloom only from April to September. There are certain months when Rajnigandha blooms. Now, which flower blooms only at night? The moonflower and the queen of night blooms only at night and bloom in a day. Sunflower and poppy, they bloom in a day. Which flowers grow on creepers? Champa and coral vine are the flowers that grow on creepers. Water lily and lotus, they grow on water plants. They are the water plants. Let us study at shapes of different flowers. Flowers are of bell-shaped, funnel, trumpet-shaped, tube-like shaped, urn-shaped or pot-shaped, saucer-shaped, star-shaped, bowl-shaped, cross-shaped and lipped flower. So we can find flowers in so many shapes. Let's see some parts of flowers. Petals. This layer lies just above the sepal layer, and petals are often bright in color, and their function is to attract the pollinators such as insects and butterflies to the flowers. Then there is stamen. Stamen is the male part of flower. Then you can find sepals. Sepals are small leaf-like parts growing at the base of petals. And you can also see pistil. This is a female part of flower. So you have to draw the parts of flower in your activity book and label the parts. So children, let us recapitulate. Let us see some uses of flowers. Flowers are used for decoration, as gifts, for making garlands, to make us look beautiful. So the chapter ends here. I hope that everything is clear to you. In the next part, we will discuss the question and answers and the exercises of the lesson.